friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another episode in our Tested series. Today, I have got the Amorno Bluetooth Foldable headset. So, let's check it out. So let's take a look to see what we get in the box. One-year warranty. Response within 24 hours. Contact us anytime. Details on the back. Trust in the purchase. Alright. A tiny manual. Quick start guide. Don't use high volume to hurt your ears. Stop using when you could be in danger. Just the normal stuff that you want to be wary of. Please charge with the charging cable. Check whether the cable is original. They want you to only use that one. Never attempt to remove the battery because it would damage it. Always have the headset off. Insert it into the earpiece. When the red light shuts off, then it is finished charging. The controls we get to use are volume plus and minus, on off, and it has a built-in mic. It has a multi-function button, LED indicator, a retraction button for the earbuds. So, that should be enough details. Let's check it out. The packaging material is nice enough, keeps it safe on the way. This is how they extend. These come out so you can put them in your ears, and this little button right here is how you retract them. There are the controls. I have plugged it in and charged it. So now I'm getting the light and it's waiting for me to connect it to my phone. I'm going to shut it off and do that in a second. This would be the microphone and the take a call. You got the little phone image there. The charging cord that they say to always use. And extra buds. So let's get to work. Let's bust out my handy dandy Galaxy S7. And let's move to the Bluetooth option. Enable Bluetooth. Let's hold that down so we can get to Bluetooth. And where's that little power button? Right there. Scanning for Bluetooth devices. Right there is the Amorno SX888. And connect. Let's watch my little LEDs. And boom, we are connected. Alright friends, so I have got one of my videos that my students created recording, and I am playing it through these. Maybe you can hear through the buds, but the audio quality is great, and I am pretty darn pleased with how simple that was to set up. And then when you're done, being able to just retract those like that is so awesome. The charging cable is right here. I'll close that after I had it open the other day. But at the moment, I'm going to have to say that this is worth all the stars. The Amorno Bluetooth headset sits nice on my neck, feels good when I'm walking. Looking forward to walking the dog with it. I snagged my headphones at Amazon.com for $32.99. If I find a discount or a coupon code, I'll also add it in the description if you're looking for these as well. Alright friends, so this is perfect timing as I had just broken my other Bluetooth headsets that I had been using. They were the over-the-ear type. And I think I'm really going to like being able to put these in here like this and put them away in the little caps, because both the other sets, the ends had broken off. They were fragile there. So I think this is going to really solve an issue for me. And if I stuff them in my backpack, which is my nature, I'm going to shut these off right now. This is a good way to keep them safe by actually retracting the little earphone connectors. And they never get tangled, which is a bonus as well. So my friends, this is obviously test number 1. Connected super easy. I'm going to take it on a walk with the dog, see how I like it when I'm out wandering in the wilderness, see if it's an issue when I'm out in the woods. But so far, I've got to say that I am super impressed with the Amorno Bluetooth headset. Friends, if you found this useful, please give it a like. If you've got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. I'll add a link to the product in the description of the video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.